Now, see dear student, today we are going to start a portion preparation of manufacture of nitric acid by Oswald process. The process is explained in three steps. First is catalytic oxidation of ammonia. A mixture of dry air free from carbon dioxide and dust particle and dry ammonia in the ratio 10 is to 1 by volume is first compressed and then passed into a catalytic chamber at 800 degrees centigrade. The results in the oxidation of ammonia into nitrogen monoxide. Say ammonia will oxidized to nitric oxide plus water plus heat, and catalyst is platinum and temperature is 800 degrees centigrade. This reaction is exothermic since here heat is evolved, maintains the temperature of catalytic chamber. The hot gases are then passed into heat exchanger where they are mixed with air and passed into another cooling chamber. These are the cooling chambers called oxidizing chamber. Now in step 2, oxidation of nitric oxide in oxidation chamber. Now in oxidation chamber what happens? This nitric oxide again combines with oxygen. Temperature is 50 degrees centigrade. They are converting into nitrogen dioxide. Now see in the step 3, absorption tower. Absorption tower, nitrogen dioxide in water together, say the nitrogen dioxide together remaining with the air is passed through absorption tower filled with quartz stone packed layers from top. From here they are being from top of which warm water trickles. Nitrogen dioxide and oxygen present in air react with water to form nitric acid. This nitrogen dioxide trickles with water in the presence of oxygen. They form nitric acid. Now like this, say nitric acid obtained at the bottom of the tower, is concentrated above 50%. The above acid on further distillation gives 68% nitric acid. This acid is concentrated nitric acid which is used in laboratory. Now concentration of nitric acid. Nitric acid up to 98% fuming nitric acid is obtained by distilling 68% nitric acid over Kong sulfuric acid. Now pure 100% acid nitric acid is obtained strongly by cooling 98% acid. When a colorless crystals of pure nitric acid gets separated at 42 degrees centigrade in the manufacture of nitric acid, here higher the ratio of air used because oxygen is only 1/5 in air and is required in all the three chambers, 1, 2 and 3 chambers. Quartz is acid resistant which is packed in layers. These are the quartz resistance which are packed in layers. It helps in dissolving nitrogen dioxide uniformly with water. What is its role? It helps this nitrogen dioxide to mix with water. Now, physical properties of nitric acid. There are some properties of nitric acid, serious student. Say color. It is colorless liquid, but commercial nitric acid, that is 68% concentration, is yellowish brown in color. It has a suffocating odor. Smell, taste is sour taste. Nature hygroscopic and fumes in air. The bottle containing nitric acid should always be stoppered. Density is 1.54 gram per centimeter cube. 98%, but commercial nitric acid is 68% and its lower density has a lower density 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. Boiling and melting point, it boils at 86 degrees centigrade and melts at minus 42 degrees centigrade. An aqueous solution of nitric acid 68% concentration forms constant boiling mixture at 1 degree centigrade. It is soluble in water in all proportion. Physiological action. Non-poisonous, it has a corrosive action. On the skin, it causes a painful blisters. it stains skin yellow as it reacts with protein of the skin and forms xanthoprotic acid. Now, serious student, this is very important. Why the color of the skin becomes yellow? It is due to the corrosive action on the skin and it causes painful blisters. It stains the skin yellow and reacts with the protein of the skin, forms a xanthoprotic acid. Pure nitric acid is unstable to heat or sunlight. It decomposes to give a yellow solution due to formation of nitrogen dioxide. So this is the reaction that nitric acid on being heated in the presence of sunlight, it will give nitrogen dioxide plus water plus oxygen. It is because of this its presence, its color is yellow color. In the presence of sunlight, nitric acid decomposes even at room temperature. Nitric acid stored in a bottle turned yellow. This color is due to dissolved nitrogen dioxide in HNO3. To avoid the decomposition of nitric acid is normally stored in colored bottles. Acidic properties, it is monobasic acid, that is, it will give only 1H plus ion, that's why it is called monobasic acid. It turns blue litmus red with halo orange to pink. Naphthalene remains colorless. Reaction with alkali, it neutralizes alkali to form salt and water. All metallic oxide and hydroxide react with dilute nitric acid to form respective soluble metallic nitrates. Serial student here, say CuO plus HNO3. Then it will be copper nitrate. Copper nitrate plus water. Zinc oxide plus nitric acid. It will give zinc nitrate plus water. Now sodium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid. It will give sodium nitrate plus water. Like the same, when carbonate reacts with nitric acid, it will give metal nitrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Action of sulfite and bisulfite. When potassium sulfite reacts with nitric acid, potassium nitrate plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Now, copper sulfite, when reacts with nitric acid, copper nitrate plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Now, oxidizing property. Nitric acid vigorously oxidizes non-metal, inorganic compound and organic substance. Nitric acid itself undergoes reduction to form different reduction products like nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide and nitrous oxide. See, these products depend on acid concentration and the temperature of the reaction. Say nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid will give nitrogen dioxide plus water plus nascent oxygen. Dilute nitric acid will give nitric oxide plus water plus nascent oxygen. Nitric acid is powerful oxidizing agent and nascent oxygen forms on the decomposition oxidizes the hydrogen to water. Say carbon when reacts with nitric acid, carbon dioxide, water and nitrogen dioxide. When sulfur reacts with nitric acid, then sulfuric acid plus water plus nitrogen dioxide. These are the actions of nitric acid on non-metal. Action on metal. Nitric acid reacts with all metal except gold or platinum. The action of nitric acid on the metal depends on the temperature and concentration of nitric acid. See here. Say copper when reacts with nitric acid, copper nitrate plus water plus nitric oxide. Zinc reacts with nitric acid, zinc nitrate plus water plus nitric oxide. Say metal such as copper when reacts with nitric acid, it oxidizes to copper nitrate plus water plus nitrogen dioxide. Getting? Now metal like iron, aluminium, cobalt, nickel become positive when treated with pure concentrated nitric acid. It is due to the formation of extremely thin layer of insoluble metallic oxide, passivity, which stops the reaction. What do you mean with the term passivity? Passivity can be removed by rubbing the surface layer with a sandpaper or by treating with a strong reducing agent. Dilute nitric acid is generally considered a typical acid except for this reaction with metal since it does not liberate hydrogen. It is a powerful oxidizing agent and an nascent oxygen formed oxidizes hydrogen to water. Say magnesium when reacts with HNO3, magnesium nitrate plus hydrogen. When manganese reacts with nitric acid, manganese nitrate plus hydrogen. This reaction proves that nitric acid contains hydrogen. Okay. Now reaction with aqua regia. The reaction as aqua regia. Say HNO3 reacts with HCl. It will give NaCl plus H2O plus nascent chlorine. Now this is your 1:3. One part of nitric acid combines with 3 parts of HCl, and this is called nitrosyl chloride. This is your aqua regia. Okay. Now nitric acid oxidizes hydrochloric acid to chlorine. This mixture, aqua regia, reacts with noble metal such as gold, platinum to give their chlorides. Say for example, when platinum reacts with this nascent chlorine, it will give PtCl4. When gold reacts with nascent chlorine, it will give gold 3 chloride. Okay. Now uses of nitric acid to etch design on copper and brassware. Nitric acid acts as a solvent for a large number of metals except noble metals to purify gold. Gold may contain copper, silver, zinc, lead, etc. as impurities which dissolves in nitric acid. It acts as a rocket fuel oxidant. In the preparation of fertilizer, calcium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, nitro chalk, basic calcium nitrate. In the preparation of aqua regia, which dissolves noble metal. Industrial uses. In manufacture of explosive like TNT, synthetic fiber like artificial silk, nylon, celluloid, plastic, photographic film, important compound like nitrate of potassium and ammonium. Now test of nitric acid and nitrate. Say when nitric acid is being heated, it will give water plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Now this, because of the presence of this, it is having a brown fumes. Nitrate other than potassium, sodium, ammonium produces a reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. On adding copper to nitric acid or acidified nitrate, that is when Cu is being added to nitric acid being heated, this is your copper nitrate plus water plus nitrogen dioxide. Now brown ring test. To the aqueous solution of nitrate or nitric acid, add freshly prepared solution of iron 2 sulfate. Now add concentrated sulfuric acid carefully from the side of the test tube so that it should not fall dropwise in the test tube. Cool the test tube with water. A brown ring appears at the junction of the two liquids. See the reaction that when ferrous sulfate plus H2SO4 plus HNO3, it will give Fe2SO4 whole 3 plus water plus 2NO. Now when this FeSO4 reacts with NO, it will give FeSO4 it will give FeSO4 NO. What is the name of this compound? Nitrosoferrous sulfate. Nitrosoferrous sulfate, a brown compound. is being prepared at the junction of two liquids. At the junction of these two liquids. Now, a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution is used because on exposure to the atmosphere it oxidizes to ferric sulfate. It oxidizes to ferric sulfate, which will not give a brown ring. The brown ring of nitrosoferrous sulfate is formed at the junction of two liquids. The concentrated sulfuric acid, being heavier, will settle down and ferrous sulfate layer above the resulting. This is your ferrous sulfate. Resulting in the formation of a brown ring at the junction. The brown ring of nitrosoferrous sulfate decomposes on disturbing the test tube. The heat evolved decomposes unstable brown ring. Now, effects of heat on nitrates. When sodium nitrate is being heated, sodium nitrate plus oxygen. When potassium nitrate is being heated, then potassium nitrate plus oxygen. Like the same, when calcium nitrate or being heated, calcium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Its color is white. This is reddish brown gas. Now, zinc nitrate on being heated, zinc nitrate on being heated, it will give zinc oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, and its color is yellow color. Yellow color when hot, white when cool. Lead nitrate when being heated, lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide, yellow solid fuses with glass. Now, copper nitrate on being heated, copper oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, and the color of copper oxide is what? Its color is black, and the color of copper nitrate is blue crystalline, whereas the color of lead nitrate is colorless crystalline. Getting? Now, silver nitrate being heated, silver plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Mercury nitrate when being heated, that mercury plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. When ammonium nitrate is being heated, then nitrogen oxide, that is when ammonium nitrate is being heated, this ammonium nitrate is being heated, then it will give nitrous oxide. This is your laughing gas. This is your laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Got? Now, serious student, what you all have to do? You all have to write the question answers. What are the questions are given? Read the chapters thoroughly and try to write the question answers properly in the class or copy. Okay? Up to this much.